Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 Fortnite lag. First, check your internet connection speed and stability to ensure a strong signal. Make sure both your PS5 system software and Fortnite are fully updated to their latest versions. A simple restart of your PS5 console and your router or modem can often resolve minor network glitches and improve overall performance, giving you a smoother gaming experience. To significantly reduce lag, consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable and faster network. You can also try adjusting your DNS settings to public servers like Google DNS, using 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Furthermore, minimize other devices using your network's bandwidth to reduce congestion and prioritize your PS5 connection. Adjusting your PS5 settings can also help. If enabled, try disabling boost mode as it can sometimes introduce instability in certain games. Consider adjusting your video output settings to prioritize performance over resolution, especially if you're experiencing significant lag. Regularly clearing your PS5 cache is another effective step to improve overall game performance and responsiveness. Within Fortnite, optimizing your in-game settings is crucial. Lower graphical options such as view distance, shadows, and post-processing effects to reduce the load on your console. Disabling replays and high-resolution textures can also free up valuable resources. Finally, set your frame rate limit to a stable number, like 60 frames per second, for a more consistent and less laggy experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.